Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a migratory bird that you're more likely to see in the northern province. The Eurasian Wigeon. The Eurasian Widgeon or European Widgeon, also known as the Widgeon or the Widgeon, is one of the 3 species of Widgeon. It breeds in the northernmost areas of Europe and the Palearctic. It is strongly migratory and winters further south than its breeding range. It migrates to southern Asia and Africa. Breeding males are beautiful and distinctive with rich reddish-brown head, buffy forehead, pearly grey body and pinkish breast. Look for large white wing patches in flight. Females are plainer warm brown overall with a small pale bill. Typically in flocks on lakes and wetlands, often grazing in a nearby fields. Usually feeds by dabbling or plant food or grazing, which it does very readily. It nests on the ground near water and under cover. Their calls are like locally named Yurasia, Vijana, Seruwa. I have not seen the Eurasian Widgeon. As mentioned, you're more likely to see this bird in the northern coast. However, this bird has been spotted in Yala National Park. This is a video of our leopard sighting in Yala National Park.